So
yeah, so you can cover up the mic.
So we having a pizza cook-off. Station number 1, we have pepperoni, some pizza sauce, and some mozzarella cheese. Station 2, same. Don't mind all the stuff. We have the same sauce, mozzarella. Station 3, same. So this is Joey's station. Hi everyone.
Get the master pizza maker.
Yo, okay.
Wait, I'm gonna hold the pan for you.
Yeah.
Don't you going too deep, that's the thing. Just do one side.
Just like Play-Doh.
Yeah. One side at a time. Okay, bring this side in. Joe, you gotta get rid of them wrinkles.
You can put pressure now. I mean, don't kill it, but you know, apply pressure, apply pressure.
Okay, you gotta move it around because it gotta fill the pan. You can put pressure now because it's spread out, but earlier you couldn't because
Go flat.
Yeah. All right now.
No.
You're doing just fine, Joey.
No, Joey's excited. Look at his face.
One eternity later.
And you could use your fingers too.
Yeah, you pretty much good. Just use your fingers
Yeah,
to spread it.
to spread it. Another one. Start spreading. Use the back of the spoon and spread it. Yeah.
You know, Joey lefty, so he do stuff a little different.
Wow, you're doing it good.
No, I'm saying,
You
you
need
know,
more.
if it looks a little weird, it's Joey lefty.
Don't be shy on the sauce.
I like sauce.
Yeah, I like a lot. You know, master chef. Mama bears. Mom and Joey's doing pepperoni. I'm doing cheese. Probably half pepperoni. I don't really like pepperoni like that.
Put a lot of cheese on here.
However much
Whatever
you
you
want.
want.
What the heck?
Yeah, that's what
Boy, if you don't
You're gonna be blowing the bathroom up tonight. Thank God we ain't got the same bathroom.
Whoa. Just throw Joey under the bus on the vlog.
Just simple some. You got holes. Screw your holes.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Mom's adding bell peppers. My regular cheese coming along. Can't do too much cheese. That's good. Ray and a little lactose. Pepperoni time.
Go, Joey. Bring a napkin so I can give you some pepperoni together.
Or you usually use those in this pepperoni. It look like it's in there.
What if I showed you I could change? I really hope you don't walk away. What if I showed you this love could be easy? Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here? If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here?
Okay, that's my half pepperoni, half cheese, y'all. Mom's still gone. I think I'm gonna put some of those bell peppers. Not too much though.
Be right here.
Joey probably going all pepperoni.
So 2 pizzas are done. This is Ryan's half pepperoni, half cheese. And this is how Joey came out, all pepperoni. And then here we have the chicken tenders fried. You struggling? How you feel, Joey?
Amazing. I just made my first pizza from dough to the sauce to the cheese to pepperoni. I think I did good.
Good.
This is very weird.
His masterpiece, his first pizza. The lighting is amazing.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Hello, it just came out of the oven.
You have a cheese.
Oh, it's stuck to his mouth.
Yeah.
Joey gotta blow the.
Joey don't eat while you're at home. That's one thing.
So Joey, what do you think of your first pizza?
Amazing.
Ryan?
The way it was cut,
Uh-huh.
the texture, the taste, from the sauce to the cheese.
Who made the dough though?
I got it shipped from Italy. Nah, I'm just playing. Come on, baby.
Closkitchen made it. Mom.
Closkitchen made the dough.
Joey's first homemade pizza.
I'm surprised the dough, right?
He even sliced it like the restaurant.
And then we got our chicken going.
Yeah, I showed him the chicken tenders going right now.
Mom's pizza.